Some girls, they want the moon, handed down by this week's buffoon. But my heart makes no such demands. I've made this short list, please have a glance. To sleep in all day and wake up in your arms with the sound of the rain on my window drumming away. I'm keeping it short and sweet. My bucket list. I'm not one for fairy tale dreams or technicolor Hollywood schemes. I'm more for living what must be given and given only by you. Some girls reach for the stars, fancy clothes and big shiny cars. But I'm quite content right here. Please read my short list, it's quite sincere. To just sleep in all day and wake up in your arms to the sound of the rain on my window drumming away. I'm keeping it short and sweet. My bucket list. My bucket had been a wallflower for so long, standing on the sidelines, watching life go by. But now I hear something that sounds like a love song from the birds in the sky. Seems I'm falling, falling like a fresh summer rain. Falling, falling, time and time over again. Have I found that someone just for me? Someone to care for carelessly. It seems to be true that I found my heart's home. Who thought a rose led to Rome? Now I'm falling, falling, like the first winter snow. Falling, falling, I close my eyes and let go. For the brownest pair of eyes in town. Oh, falling, for the brownest eyes in town.
Everything glistens and everything's bright. Everyone's happy, spirits are light. I am sitting here thinking, alone with my drink, as I do this time of the year. Do you remember when love was around? When we were aglow, the talk of the town. When I'm sitting here drinking, I can't help but think about you, about us, as I do this time of the year. I remember me being with you. Was that just a dream that never came true? I am sitting here sinking, drink after drink, as I do this time of the year. Stupid heart so easily strays. I thought I was trying to forget you. I must have forgotten. I am lost in my memories, pouring the hours away. Say, do you remember we used to be near? You don't recall, you forgot as I'd feared. I don't blame you if memory fails you, but I must admit I am thinking of you every minute, each hour.
stars. I'm where you are.
Cloudless skies in the midday sun. Bees are buzzing now that spring is done. The birdsong glows as the tide rolls out. These memories are what summer's about. Beachside walks with a view for miles, but the rolling hills can't compete with your smile. Evenings in with a movie and takeout. Being with you is what summer's about. The long days come and we both get tired, but we'll sleep the night away. And even if we scream and shout, you know that when there comes a new day, we'll make morning pancakes and watch the rising sun. And after morning pancakes, you know our summer's just begun. Lazy evenings with barbecues, blowing away all the winter blues. Summer's easy with you by my side, so bring on next year and enjoy the ride. And even when the sun don't shine so bright, we'll find a way. We'll just wait till the morning light, you know that then I'll wake up and say, we'll make morning pancakes and watch the rising sun. And after morning pancakes, you know our summer's just begun. Oh, you know our summer's just begun. Oh, you know our summer has just begun.
You sing the song, I'll do the dance. You take the lead, I'll take your hand. Foxtrot or cha-cha, rumba or salsa, whichever rhythm you choose, I'm following you. Sashay and shimmy around the room, fall onto me, slip into you. Our bodies twist and turn, you got my vision blurred, and now my mind's in a whirl. Keep on spinning me around, girl. My troubles and worries all magically fade. Whenever you give me moving this way, moving that way. With every step the line grows thin, of where I end and you begin. And our heartbeats combine, together keeping time. When at last we become no longer two souls, but one. Troubles and worries all magically fade. Magically fade away. Whenever you give me moving this way, you're moving me, babe. With every step the line grows thin, of where I end and you begin. And our heartbeats combine, together keeping time. When at last we become no longer two souls, but one. No longer two souls, but one.
Let's make this love last till Valentine's. Let's spend this night together. Let this fire burn inside our hearts. Let us soak in all the pleasure. Now that the rain is slowly pitter-patting, we are lost inside our lover's nest. We don't need the world, we just need us. What if we'd stay like this forever? These wine-colored days, summer is gone. Deep cold velvet nights when we are one. All come together now, soon the sun will melt this love. We could part and never look back. Life will shortly have us falling flat. By the springtime we'll be strangers. Who knows, it might just last forever. We don't need the world, we just need us. I wish we'd stay like this together. We don't need the world, we just need us. I wish we'd stay like this forever.
Well, I'm happy on my own, making coffee just for one, and eating breakfast all alone. Fewer dishes to be done. I'm never running behind. You're never on my mind. No longer there to make me comb my hair, fix my tie, or kiss me goodbye. Swear I'm happy on my own. No one to worry where I am. all waiting for me to come home, staying up till 3 a.m. I'm always out on the town, you're nowhere to be found. And when our song comes on, I just hum along and order another round. On my own, at least most of the time. I guess some of the time, maybe none of the time, I'm happy, happy on my own.
Fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's get snowed in somewhere,
back home, humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. Let's see where this all might lead. Waking up to a brand new day in between your sheets, breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street. Ooh, but then out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in a way so new, a world more exciting than mine. It's holding up a great big welcoming sign. Life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. I said life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. I just called to say hello, hello. Such a wonderful night for a walk in the park by moonlight, moonlight. And I just wanna say, you know, the time is right. Don't you think that the time is right? Tonight, tonight, tonight. I know the time is right. Tonight, 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 tonight.
We can take it very slow.
Very slow.
We'll be counting the stars that dot the dark of a night sky.
The night sky.
Sipping red wine on the show. The time is right, don't you feel the time is right? Tonight, tonight, tonight,
Tonight the time is
tonight, tonight, tonight,
tonight.
tonight, 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 tonight. I just called to say hello,
Hello.
such a wonderful night for a walk in the park by moonlight.
Moonlight.
And I just wanna say, you know, the time is right. Don't you feel that the time is right? Tonight, tonight, tonight,
I know
the time is right tonight. Don't you feel the time is right tonight? Tonight, tonight, tonight.
Oh, my pretty baby, oh, my sweetie baby, I just can't believe I'm yours. Every day I look at you and I think I must have done something good to deserve you. I'm not superstitious, it's just a suspicion, but I feel it in my bones. Ever since the day we met, I just knew I must have done something good to deserve you. Perhaps I was a doctor saving people's lives in danger. Oh yeah, I must have done something. Perhaps I was a pirate and I donated my treasure. Oh yeah, I must have done something. Or maybe I was kinda like rewinded all my videos. Oh yeah, I must have done something. Well anyway, I hope that you don't think that I'm delirious. Oh yeah, I must have done something. 'Cause baby, when we kiss, I feel that sort of bliss I didn't really think existed. I feel it, call it what you like, I don't really mind, as long as it's something good with you, baby.
I must have done something good. I must have done something.
And even if you're skeptical,
I must have done something.
and you don't believe in
I
magic,
must have done something.
you must admit that it's a
I must
miracle
have done something.
that we have found each
I
other.
must have done something.
'Cause while we have you, baby,
I must have done something.
you only get once in a lifetime.
I must have done something.
So please don't call me crazy
I must have done something.
if I hope next life
I
you'll
must
still be
have
mine.
done something.
'Cause when I'm in your arms, then I can do no harm. Oh baby, it was meant to be. Doesn't matter who we are, just as long we're gonna do something good with each other. See it in your eyes forever you lie. Oh baby, hope you do agree. Doesn't matter what we do, just as long we're gonna do something good.
I get so lonesome without you. Oh, like you wouldn't believe. Can hardly hold myself together without your arms around me. The days when we are apart, time only drags on and on. Each minute I'm without your loving feels though a lifetime has gone. But every night I close my eyes and dream I'm with you back home. But when I wake, home's far away and I am still all alone. get so lonesome without you. I think I'm losing my mind. I don't know how I ended up here, or why I left you behind. Each mile added between us breaks my heart a little more. I wish this road I was traveling on would lead me right to your door. But every night I close my eyes and dream I'm with you back home. When I wake, home's far away, and I am still all alone. Oh, every night, pretend I'm fine. Oh, but deep down I know that when I wake, you're far away, and I am still all alone. Oh, I am still all alone. Yeah, I am still all alone. Perhaps one day I'll hit the lotto, then my bills would all be paid. Money no longer would be a bother. My life would never be the same. We could travel all around this world, fly first class every day. But if I never hit the lotto, would you still love me anyway? Perhaps one day I'll reach the big time. The whole world would know my name. Well, every other magazine cover would use me for their campaign. We would be the hardest couple around, from New York to LA. But if I never reach the big time, would you still love me anyway? Perhaps one day I'll have the answers for every question that's ever been. Most brilliant minds of our time will call me colleague and friend. We would never have any problems at all. I'd solve them each right away. But if I never have the answers, would you still love me anyway? Oh, if I never hit the lotto or reach the big time one day, oh, if I never have the answers, would you still still love me? Would you still love me anyway? No matter how far, no matter wherever you are, I'm with you. Deep in your heart, my love, I'll stay. When I'm away, no matter how far, no matter the way, no matter the pain and heartache, I promise all of those lonesome nights apart, you'll be back in my arms, no matter the way. Although there's miles to cross that stretch between us, you're all I dream of. There's nothing too great that can't separate you from my love. No matter how long, no matter the time that has gone between us, darling, I'm yours and I'm yours alone. So I'll always come home, no matter how long. That stretch between us, you're all I dream of. Well, there's nothing too great that can't separate you from my love. No matter how long, no matter the time that has gone between us, oh, darling, I'm yours and I'm yours alone. I'll always come home, no matter how long. I'm yours alone. I'll always come home, no matter how long.
Connection
no scenes in the movies when one lover's end was here.